What's up everybody, it's your boy Miles. I know I promised you a business plan video for a long time. I just got caught up in work. I was hella busy, but here we go. If you don't know how much you need to do on a daily basis to hit your income goal, or worse, you don't have an income goal,
do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You are not running a proper business. Today, I'll break down a bulletproof business plan for estate agents who actually want to make it or are in need of a level up.
Okay, let's go.
Whilst I'm a real estate agent in Cape Town, this business plan principle applies across the board no matter where on the world you are. No matter what suburb, city or country you work in. Let's get the foundation right. Some of you might disagree and you are entitled to that. But working only with buyers will not get you to where you want to be. Buyers are unpredictable. Sometimes you show some buyers 80 different properties just for them to decide they don't want to buy.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
And that's for whatever reason. And I'm not saying their reasons are not valid. I'm saying that in order to plan and predict the growth of your business, you need maths. And maths only works with predictable variables. Else you can't scale your business. So what's the only thing that can predict your income? Sellers. Only if you control the listings and the stock, you control your income. You'll get what I mean shortly. Let's jump into it. Step 1. You need a commission goal. You need to know what you want. Let's say I want to earn 1 million Rand GCI. That's gross commission income. Pre-agency split, pre-tax. Step 2. Know your area's average sales price. In this example, I'll use the suburb of Tableview, where the average sales price is 2 million Rand. To find out the average sales price of a suburb, you can go on to Property 24. And look at the respective trends and statistics there. Or you can download a report on, for example, CMA, Lightstone, or any other software. Or you just ask your principal for the average sales price. Step 3. Commission per deal. I work on a 5% commission, so we'll use 5%. Step 4. Listing to sales ratio. Let's keep it conservative. Whilst at this stage of my career, I sell around 85% of all the properties that I bring to the market. In the beginning, it was less. So assuming that you are only getting started, we will use a 50% ratio. Meaning, if you bring 2 properties to the market, you sell 1. If you bring 10 properties to the market, you sell 5. Even if you are a beginner. If you do worse than that, you need to work on your pitch and your pricing strategy. Step 5. How much commission do I earn per deal? If your average sales price is 2 million Rand and you charge 5% commission, your average commission payout will be 100,000 Rand per sale. Wait, we are not done. Step 6. How many sales do you need to make to hit your commission target? So if your target is 1 million Rand and you make 100,000 Rand per sale, you need 10. You take the gross commission income that you want to achieve and you divide it by the average commission you get per sale. So in our example, it means you need 10 sales per year. Simple math. Step 7. How many listings do you need? If you sell 50% of all the properties you bring to the market and you need 10 sales per year, you need 20 listings per year. So you take the sales you need to achieve and you divide it by your listing to sales ratio. Step 8. Listings per month. So you need 20 listings per year to reach your commission target. 20 listings per year means you need 1.6 listings per month. And as we can't list the half a house, we will round it up to 2. The real target is 2 listings per month. Step 9. Factor in the shared deals. Let's say you split 25% of all your deals with another agent, meaning you bring the listing, another agent brings the buyer, and you agree to split the commission in equal parts. So 50-50. That is something to keep in mind.
769, 800 and listen properly.
But for simplicity's sake, we'll keep it at the 100,000 Rand per deal.
I thank you.
Remember, we also rounded up the listings that we need per month from 1.6 to 2. So hitting the 2 listings per month will definitely bring you to your commission goal, even with the shared deals. But how do you get to 2 listings per month? Let's say your conversion rate is 1 listing per 100 conversations. So your conversion rate is 1%. That means you need 200 solid conversations per month to get to 2 listings. Keeping in mind that normal canvassing days are Monday to Friday, even though Saturday is technically legal. I do not call on a Saturday. I respect my clients, but Monday to Friday, that's 5 days per week. We have 4 weeks per month. That leaves us with 20 working days. So if you need to make 200 contacts per month, that's 200 contacts in 20 working days. So 200 divided by 20. That's 10 quality contacts every single day. Don't get me wrong. That's not 10 calls or 10 WhatsApp messages. That's 10
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
actual conversations with homeowners per day. Cold calls, door knocking, WhatsApp messages, whatever works for you. Okay, let's recap this whole thing. For 1 million Rand gross commission income with a 2 million Rand average sales price in the suburb, a 5% commission per sale, which equals 100,000 Rand commission per sale. You need 10 sales per year. With a 50% listing to sales ratio, that means you need 20 listings per year. That's 1.6 listings per month. As we cannot sell half houses, that's 2 listings per month. 2 listings per month, if you work from Monday to Friday, leaves you 20 working days to make that happen. And with a 1% conversion ratio, you need to speak to 200 people per month, which breaks down to 10 people per day. Actual conversations with homeowners. And there you go. That's your business plan. Now you know how to perform on a daily basis to reach your bigger goal. Track your contacts, adjust the numbers of the calculations. You might find that you need more contacts or less, or your pitch is so good that your conversion rate is much higher than mine. But you'll never know until you get to work. Oh, and before you do that, please hit the like and subscribe button.